Welcome back, YouTube. My name is MrSchroeter, and today I'm here with information on how you can actually pay your rent with your credit card. So say you're someone who is in the credit card game and you have to meet minimum spend annually. Maybe you have an American Express card, like the Delta card, where you could spend $10,000 and get $100 in flight credit. Or maybe you just have another card where you're trying to meet a minimum spend, or you have something going on and you don't want to have to pay utilizing cash or debit or a check or another process that may in turn have you spending the same amount of money but not gaining any type of reward back. There are still options for you to be able to pay your rent utilizing your credit. So today I'm going to give you 4 different options that you can use. They're not in any particular order. However, they all are good and valid options. So of course we're going to start with option number 1. Option number 1 is to get a personal loan or a bank loan and transfer it to a balance transfer card. So maybe you don't have any outstanding debt, but you see a balance transfer card and you like the idea of having that 0% APR. Maybe you want to get a personal loan with a financial institution to where it's reporting, but maybe you're not having to make monthly payments per se. You can pay the majority of it off, let your due date be pushed back, and essentially still get the same positive payments reported to your credit report every single month. If that's your case and that's something that you want to do, this is a great option. You can go to your bank, you can get a personal loan, ensure that they allow the payments to be pushed back as the card gets paid off, and then also apply for a 0% balance transfer card. Keep in mind that certain issuers aren't going to allow you to balance transfer a personal loan to a credit card, but there are some that will, so make sure that your institution allows you to do that. Open up the personal loan, balance transfer it to the credit card, reap the benefits, 0% interest, and you'll have a positive reporting trade line every single month. And as long as you make your rent payments on that same 0% interest credit card, you're going to get those positive reporting payments every single month as well. Now, option number 2 is if your landlord or the property management company that's in charge of your property allows you to pay utilizing a payment processor. So if they have a merchant account or they have some payment processor that they just naturally use, obviously you can just go ahead, open up a credit card, and you can go directly to that website or to your landlord. Maybe you have to talk to them. Maybe they don't offer it, but they're willing to. Ask them, have them offer it as a service to you. You can go right in, pay your rent off of that card, and obviously it'll process and you can get your benefits that way. Tip number 3 is to use a service that's called Plastique. Plastique allows you to actually use your credit card to pay a merchant or a landlord or anyone. They will mail a check out to that person for the amount that you put, and your credit card issuer will essentially pay Plastique. So you'll basically pay Plastique with your credit card. They take out a fee, and then the rest of it will be sent in a check to your landlord. So last but not least, option number 4, which is another valid option for if you want to use your credit card and pay off your landlord, is to ask your landlord if they will take some form of P2P processor such as PayPal or Venmo or Cash App, and you can utilize an app. In this case, we're just going to say Cash App. Utilize Cash App, attach your credit card to it. Mind you, this does not work with all credit card issuers. However, there are many issuers that do allow you to utilize Cash App, so you just have to check and see if your card will be able to attach, as well as if your landlord is willing to take payment through Cash App. And you would essentially just go into Cash App, click your credit card as your preferred payment method, type in your rent amount and send it to your landlord that way. So with that being said, as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. And this was 4 unique methods that you can utilize to pay off your rent utilizing a credit card.